factory reset your Coros watch. Press and hold the lower button. Actually, my watch is in reverse, so in your case it might be this one. So press and hold it and navigate to System. Select it, then go down at the very bottom of that setting page, go into More Settings, and then again at almost the very bottom, you gotta find Reset All. Select that and reset all settings and delete data. So basically this will delete absolutely everything. So at the moment you press that button, it resets everything. It will erase just everything. And as you see, I put my watch in reverse. So now it come back to that side. So from now, you can restart like a brand new watch out of the box. This will delete everything inside the watch, but don't worry, every data that was synced to the Coros application will remain into the Coros application. Basically, this is what you do when you want to resell your watch, or if your watch simply do some weird stuff, you might want to restart it like a brand new one. So from here, you're able to restart it, and then of course you scan it with the app, and it's like when the watch was brand new. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.